Hello traders out there, you are welcome once again to our online forex class. And then I believe you have learned one or two things from the previous videos, and I want to implore you, don't give up, because if you continue this way and you are increasing in knowledge, definitely it will surely help your knowledge as a forex trader. So what we are going to learn today, still on trading system, is a structure. I want you to know that if you have a trading system and you did not structure it, as in normal structure that it should be, definitely you will be losing, and that trading system may be profitable, but you won't be able to squeeze out the profitability of this trading system. So how do you structure your trading system? Now this is in just three formats. Number one is trade setup. Number two, confirmation. Then number three, entry. So how do you do it? Your trading system should have a basic setup rules. That's when you see maybe this one above this one move to this one coming down to this one, and this, that, and that. So that is a basic setup. But then some traders, the reason why they are losing yet they have a profitable trading system is that when immediately they see setup, they jump into the market, not knowing that they still have about 2 steps to cover before they can just enter the market. I told you, if you get the direction of the market right, yes, the market is going uptrend or is going downtrend, and they just jump in like that, you will discover that at the end of the day you will still lose, even though at the uptrending of the market you bought, which normally you should not lose because you have gotten the direction right and you have followed it. But at the end of the day, you discover that you have been kicked out of the market, and then the market continues to move in the previous direction. That is why, because a structure where you did not structure your trading system, So the first one, as we talk, is setup. So when this is coming to that, I don't want to give a particular trading system, but let me just use my own as an example. You are not going to get it anyway, but I just want to let you know, my trade setup has to do with the trend. The trend as concerned all the time frames from 1 minute to monthly. Then number two, the candle. I told you that series of candles in a particular direction, maybe series of buy candles or series of sell candles, shows that if it is series of buy candles, it shows that the buyers are actually in control. So now series of candles, then the prices. Let me tell you something. Number one, everything starts and finished with price. Price accounts for everything that happens in the market, especially when you are on your chart. Price will develop to candle will develop, series of candles will develop to trend, and trend will actually give you the idea of what to do in the market. And if you know what to do in the market but you don't know how to do it and the time to do it, you will surely lose. You will surely, despite the fact that the market is going your direction. So setup, when you see this setup, then the next thing is to look for confirmation. So how do you confirm your setup? You have seen the setup. Yes, the market should be on the upward trend. We should have the buy candles. We are talking about buy trade now, buy signals, and then you look at it. I told you about the trading system, that has a very good, the characteristics of a very good trading system. No, we entering into the market through looking at the direction of the market. That's one. You know that there is it's either you use price action or you use some default indicator or even custom indicators. So when it gives you the direction of the market, and then one thing is that you need to enter into the market and you need to get out, but when and how is actually so many people's problem. So how to get into the market or when to get into the market is actually like a sniper is looking for a target and is waiting. The sniper can wait for this to watch his target so that he will not make a mistake by the time he strikes. So that is exactly how it works. So your setup, when it is complete, sometimes setup may remain one or two conditions to complete. It may take few days more, so that by the time everything is completed, then you should know that time your trading system is on the phase of profits. I told you that trading system has three phases: profit phase, break-even phase, and the loss phase. So when the setup is complete, then you need to wait for confirmation. Confirmation comes from knowing exactly when it is time to enter into the market. So all these things you have to take into consideration the particular market structure that will give you go ahead that it is now time. So that is why we have trigger candle or signal candle. That is why we have, if you don't know much about price action, then you should get one or two default indicators, or if you have money to buy custom indicator that will take care of all this. So you need the kind of indicator that will tell you exactly it is time to enter. It is time to enter. So that being said, you need an oscillator. There are so many indicators in the MT4. So but the most popular ones are: number one, stochastic oscillators, or RSI, that is relative strength index. So this, although they use it for so many things, but then the major work of oscillator is to tell you exactly when to enter. So when you use it in corroboration with the signal candle or trigger candle, it will give you perfect entry. And this one also, if you combine it, if you don't mind having a lot of indicators on your chart, you can combine it with stochastic oscillators. This one will tell you exactly when to enter or when to wait for retracement. So immediately retracement is coming, stochastic oscillator will let you know. So how do we use stochastic indicator? Let me show you. But you can also use price action to discover that, to detect that. That means we have to understand a lot of things about candle. Price develop to candle and candle develop to trend. So let's look at it this way. This is 100, this is 0, so this is 20. This is in case of a stochastic oscillator. So this is 80. So this place is overbought. This place is oversold. So whenever the price enters to this place, you have to wait and let the price get out again, because anytime the price enters to this place, to this level, it means that the market is oversold and it will soon turn back up. So the same way it works in this place. when the price enters to this place, it shows that the price has entered to overbought. So anytime from that moment, the price will turn back. The price will turn back. So, and stochastic oscillator has two lines. One is signal lines and the other one is this is how it works. Same thing here now. So we have signal line and then the stochastic line itself. So by the time the price enters, let's assume now that you received buy signal. You know, as concerns your trade setup. So you are looking to buy. But then when you get to the bad point, you are looking for confirmation that yes, it has confirmed that it is time to enter to buy, that this buy is being confirmed. This buy trade signal is confirmed that we are going to buy, nothing changes. So now you now see that the market at that time has entered to this place and is coming down. So definitely it's telling you that at that point in time, when you are on the charts, the market is going on a temporary retracement, which means the market is going on a retracement. So that if you look at the chart and you watch the chart, you look at the candles, you will discover that the candle may go like this, then all of a sudden one will be like this, and then begin like this one like this one like this, because we are going up. So at the time we do not see that the market is coming back with, this is your buy candles, which are maybe blue or green candles. This one will not be red candle, no, coming down. So that is a temporary retracement, and this one you can only be spotted on smaller time frame, like beginning from 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or 1 minute. So if you see something like this on higher time frame, like daily, monthly, weekly, or monthly, please, that's at least for that day, don't ever try it. But these are applicable on 1 hour downward, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. So the most reliable one that will help you a lot is this one, 1 hour. So when you see something like that, that is in the area of confirmation. So if you see something like that, you see that the signal you receive is buy, but the stochastic is coming down, then don't enter. There's a contradiction, and the stochastic is telling you that it is not yet the time. So if you now at that time point in time watch your chart, you will discover that there have been red set candles coming down, showing you that the market is actually not going up again. It is coming down. So what you need to do, if you see that on 1 hour or smaller time frames, is to wait and let the retracement be over, because anytime soonest the market will enter into oversold again and begin to continue in that hour direction. So immediately you see something like that, and the stochastic crosses 20, just know that it is time to enter. So that time, I'm not saying you should enter directly. So if you see something like that on 1 hour, so that shows you that the retracement is over. So what you need to do is switch over to 5 minutes. So when you switch over to 5 minutes, watch for the same scenario. So if by that time you switch to 5 minutes and you see that it is also going up, to face our direction, our initial trade signal. Don't waste your time. It is time to enter. But then, so we have gone to entry now. We have talked about confirmation. So now, if at that time you switch over to 5 minutes and the same thing is happening here, the market is, coming down from overbought, wait. Don't trouble yourself. Just wait and let the price enter into oversold and coming back again to previous direction. So immediately it's going up, so it is time for our entry. So now that entry, I told you, is a skill that you must develop. This one will actually take care of it if you don't know how to study price action. Anything that works for you, anything that works for you is what you should stick to. Don't say because Lagbaja is boasting that I'm the master of price action, I am this, I am that. Forget about all those nonsense. It is working for him. That is why he's boasting. Look for your own trades, trading system that is meant for you as a unique trader. So you can try several ways. You can even collect somebody, maybe it gave you or you bought it or whatever. You can try to modify it in a way that it begins to work for you. So it may be somebody's trading system that you try to modify in one way or the other until the thing begin to work for you, because we have level of knowledge and we have level of understanding. That is the level of your IQ. We also help you in this case. So you know yourself, study to know yourself as a trader. So when you know who you are, that is why we talked about personality, your temperament. So if you know who you are and you have studied yourself, then you will know how to approach the market. Maybe you will still have a long way to go, especially if you are somebody who is maybe in the area of choleric or sanguine. People like that, they tend to be very stubborn. They don't take to correction easily, of which I am one. So but the market has actually done a great work on me. So now I have a lot of modifications in my personality type, my temperament. So it actually helped me a lot, shaping me to who I am today. So you should study yourself, because your personality type has to do a lot with your trading system. Otherwise, you will see that it is working for some people and it's not working for you. And when you look at it, you will always come back to the realization that you are the problem. Some people, they find it so difficult. They don't have self-control. They are not self-disciplined. They just want to do things in their own way, forgetting that you cannot control the market. All you need to do is study the way of the market and follow it. So even those professionals that are actually gurus and that they are making 10, 15 figures in the market, professionals, they don't operate outside of their trading system. They have already structured those rules and they work within that perimeter. They don't say because I'm a professional I will work outside of the perimeter of my trading system, the structure and the trading rules. So they don't do that. They believe that my trading system is the most important thing for a trader to make money in the market. So take out a trading system from the hand of the trader, nothing more. You may have knowledge about, but then even if you have knowledge about the structure of the market and everything, you come back to a particular set of rules that will help you to make money, and that is called trading system. So everything about the market, making money from the market, is trading system. So that is why we dwell no longer on this trading system of a thing. So we have talked about structure, setup, confirmation and entry. So this one will actually help you not to lose, not to suffer lack in the midst of plenty. You will see other people making money in the market, and you are still losing your money. If you lose as if people are are just interested in your case, because anytime you see a buy signal and you just rush to enter, it was that time that the market will turn back against you. You look at that and say, maybe a broker is, is developing a particular trading candle to hit your stop loss. It is not so. What you don't know, you don't know it. If you don't know it, you don't know it. Knowledge is crucial. Knowledge is crucial. So when you see something like this now, even if you want to buy and you see that the market on the oversold is going up, and then you want to sell, so it is better you wait until it enters to overbought. So and then it's coming back. Now you follow your trade signal, which is sell. So vice versa, that is how you do it. So you need to start from today, study your trading system. Try to segregate it into 3 parts: setup, confirmation, and entry, and it will help you a lot to begin to make money from that trading system you thought is not profitable. I told you that every trading system is profitable, especially when it gets to the right trader. So if you happen to be fortunate enough to easily come in contact with a trading system that works for you, please stick with it. Don't look at trader A or trader B, what kind of trading system is using, or is knowledge in the market. Sometimes knowledge doesn't help you because you know too much. Sometimes you want to be wiser than the market, but you can never be wiser than the market. You are the one who will learn the way of the market and follow the market, so that you can make money out of that market. So you need to respect the market, follow it. The market itself will tell you what to do, what next to do with it. But if you are not patient enough, because patience is a virtue for every trader, you have to be patient. I told you, initially in this video, that it's like sniper. These snipers, they lie in wait for their targets, and they study the target. They may not even hit the target on the day 1, on day 2, or day 3. They'll be looking for a way that immediately they strike, it will not miss. And once they have achieved that, they disappear. They go. So just like that, when there is a setup, wait for confirmation. So after the confirmation, then look for entry. So that's what you have to develop, entry skill, so that by the time you enter, the market will not just retrace against you and you'll be thinking that it is a village people. So if you have any question at all, put it in the comments section, and then we will address it. I believe you have learned 1 or 2 things for today. So the next class, we are going to go about trade management. So until then, I still remain your tutor, Ulfemi Adeyemo, the coordinator of Open Gate Forex Academy. So I urge you to subscribe to this channel, and then like, share, and press the notification button, and then we continue to come back to give you what we know. And if you want to suggest or want to make comments, please let your comment be positive, let it be constructive. Let every of your criticism or critics be constructive, and we will appreciate it. Thank you. See you later. God bless you. Bye bye.